Today, we're looking at typing jobs in the Philippines. Kinumpile ko na guys yung top 5 so you don't have to. Stay tuned because the last one will surprise you. So in this job guys, pwedeng zero experience, walang interview, and walang calls. Kailangan mo lang talaga is a good typing speed. So make sure you hit that subscribe button para meron kayong updates sa online jobs. Let's go! Okay, so number 1 platform guys is Humanatic. So this is mostly call and coding, guys. So just go to humanatic.com and makikita nyo tong website na to. Ang gagawin nyo dito, guys, is makikinig kayo sa mga pre-recorded calls and magta-type out kayo ng short summaries or ika-categorize nyo sila based on anong nangyari doon sa call. So perfect to, guys, para do sa inyo na gusto is walang pressure na environment. Requirements, kailangan meron kayong PayPal because that's where they send the earnings. You have to have a good listening skill and syempre kailangan nyo din ng laptop or computer. So quick lang naman yung sign up process guys. Punta lang kayo dito sa website na to and then after nun, meron silang simple na entry test. So once you pass that, you can already start working for them. The salary here is around $5 to $15 per day. Depende yan guys sa inyong speed and accuracy. Magiging common theme natin guys for the whole length of this video is yung accuracy. Mas pinaprefer nila na mataas yung accuracy rate mo kaysa mas mabilis kang mag-type. And usually some of them, if your accuracy falls below 95%, they will shadow ban you, meaning wala ka nang makikitang jobs or tasks. So just be careful about that. Number 2 guys is Transcribe Me. So punta lang kayo sa transcribeme.com/jobs and you will see this website. So ang gagawin mo naman dito is makikinig ka ng short audio clips around 2 to 4 minutes long and itatranscribe mo siya. So, isusulat mo lang kung ano yung narinig mo. You have to follow a certain guidelines based on the manual from the training that you will be provided. And free, guys, yung training. Entry level to, it's not as heavy as captioning a movie, no? And this is really recommended for beginners. Siyempre, kailangan mo ulit, guys, ng computer, internet, and a PayPal account. So, paano mag-sign up dito? Visit this website, mag-register kayo dyan, and then meron silang English entrance exam. Itatranscribe yung short clip na yan, and if you pass, you're in. So, no interview na. Diretsong work na kayo. Basta na i-pass nyo yung exam. The salary here as of 2026 is from $15 to $22 per audio hours. So, audio hour yan, guys. Hindi yan yung time na pinag-work mo. So, meaning, ito yung length nung pinakinggan mo, not the length of how long you worked on it. Ang claim ng mga nagtatranscribe for this website, they're earning around 30,000 or more monthly. So again, depending on your speed and accuracy. Next on our list is Casting Words. So Casting Words, guys, is a long-standing favorite for freelancers. Meron silang tinatawag na badging system kung saan pag mas magaling kang mag-type, meaning mataas yung accuracy and mabilis, then the higher your level, mas mataas yung pay mo per minute. So, famous sila for having very short, manageable tasks. Ang kailangan mo lang dito is a computer and a stable internet connection. Hindi pwedeng phone. You also need a PayPal account and the pay here is sent every Friday. Sign-up process dito, punta ka lang dito sa website nila, workshop.castingwords.com and gawa ka ng account. Tapos, gawin mo rin yung profile mo and then meron ding short transcription test. Guys, one shot lang yung test nila. So, kailangan ma-follow mo talaga yung style guide nila perfectly. Walang interview dito. Once you pass the test, makikita mo na agad yung dashboard of available jobs na pwede mo nang i-start. Ang salary dito is from 8 cents to $1 per audio minute. So, active Filipino typists here report earning around 15,000 to 25,000 per month. Depende yan, guys, doon sa inyong badge level. Okay, so number 4, guys, on our list is transcription staff. So, bali, specialized transcription site ito and marami ring Filipino freelancers here. You're gonna be handling everything from business meetings to legal recordings. Iba-iba siya. Ang requirements here, you need to have a computer or laptop. Hindi pwedeng mobile. Kailangan meron ka ring high-speed internet connection. You also need a PayPal account for the weekly payouts. And of course, kailangan mataas din ang accuracy nyo for typing. Meron silang zero tolerance policy for AI work. So, mababan ka if you're using AI to shortcut your work. Mabilis lang naman yung sign-up process. You just have to go to their freelancer portal dito sa transcription staff. Tapos, meron silang transcription test. This is a sample audio. And then, once you submit, pag na-review nila yan within the week, if you pass, you'll get instant access to their task board. The salary here goes from 15,000 to 20,000 per month for beginners. And for experienced typists naman who can take on difficult, high-pay tasks, they earn around 35,000 pesos per month. Okay, and the last one, guys, on our list, and medyo different siya dun sa apat na nauna, is 2CAPTCHA. So, just go to 2CAPTCHA.com and you will see this website. This is not really more on typing but more on data entry and CAPTCHA solving. Ayun. Ito na siguro yung pinakamadali dun sa 5 na na-mention natin within this video. And dinouble check ko talaga if people are earning from this website. Ang gagawin mo dito, guys, magta-type ka kung ano yung letter na nasa CAPTCHA. This one is paper task siya. Pag may natapos ka na task or batch of tasks, then you'll get paid for that. So, ang kailangan mo lang dito is just a stable connection. You can just use your phone if okay lang sa'yo na maliit yung screen. And kailangan mo rin, guys, ng maraming patience for this job. So, instant naman yung registration dito, as in wala na ring screening. You have to go through a 5-minute training. So, may training sila para alam mo how to navigate their platform. And after nun, pwede ka na mag-start mag-earn immediately. So, ang salary dito, their published rates are 50 cents to $1 per 1,000 CAPTCHAs. So, this is really just best as a side hustle while you're waiting for, let's say, your next job. So, this is one of the review I saw in Glassdoor. Recent to. Ayun, gusto niya, pero yun nga, mababa yung pay. So, that's one of the, kumbaga, common theme din dito sa mga jobs na na-mention natin in this video. No shade dun sa mga nagtatranscribe. I know you guys are earning so well. We interviewed one of the transcriber. It was Joanne way back. And she's so happy with her job. It's really just a matter of finding if this typing job is the right fit for you. If you find this video helpful and insightful, please hit the like button and feel free to share this with your friends and family. Again, guys, my name is Mimi and I'm here to share work from home opportunities. So make sure you hit the subscribe button para lagi kayong updated sa mga online jobs. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching! Bye!